Today on Outdoor Handyman Adventures, I'm going to change these rear tires out. They're dry rotted here and they just seen better days. I'm going to take these off. I have another set of wheels that I picked up on Marketplace that I'm going to be installing on this mower here. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, is changing out these rear tires on this mower, because this mower here is what I'm working on now. All right, let's see, get this cap here off so I can get to the tire, get to the wheel here, the center. I just use this little kind of curved pick tool here, and just reaches back here and pop this off. Usually works pretty good. There you go. Pop these little caps off. And then you got an E-clip, which I use a screwdriver for that. Let me grab my screwdriver for that one. I'm going to use a little hammer to tap the screwdriver down. Usually you can stick it in there and turn, well, I just stick it in there, turn it, twist it, and the E-clip just comes right off. Washer comes off, and the wheel should slide. This wheel should slide right off. Yes, come on, there we go. That was good. That was easy. There should be a piece on here. Yeah, get a rag because it's gonna be greasy. You got a key on the axle that holds the rim in place. It goes in this slot. You want to line it up. Let me slide that key off of there. Take your square key off. Set it right there for now. Slide the wheel on there. All right. Take your square key here. We'll slide it back in the slot. Wiggling your tire. That slides in. Get our screwdriver. We want to slide that piece all the way up in there. We install our flat washer, E-clip, you can put your plastic cap back on. All right, there's that wheel. Okay, that wheel's on there. And I'm gonna wash these wheels up. I wanna get some cleaner and clean these wheels up once I get them on here. And now I do the same thing on the other side. I'll move the camera so you can watch me do the other side. Get rid of all these little spider webs here. Put them out of the way. side's been a little bit more difficult. Of course. There we go. We got that side off. Lift this here, twist it. There we go. E-clip. Washer. And the wheel should slide off. It does. I'm going to take the key out right here. Slide it out. Yep. If you do buy wheels off a marketplace, make sure you buy the kind that is designed for your mower. This one has a keyway up here at the top. Some do, some don't. Some are oval. Some got different shapes. But just make sure the design on your wheel, if it's got a keyway, make sure you get the kind that's got the keyway in the wheel like these. If you got that kind, just check that part of your wheel to make sure you get the right one. But it was just cheaper for me to buy another set of wheels than to buy a tire or a tube for it. So always check and go the cheapest route is what I try to do to save money. Be affordable. If you can find somebody that's got some old parts, then that's good. Okay, that's the wheels. Okay, that's all you do to get the wheels on this mower. And thanks again for watching Outdoor Handyman Adventures.